rise of skin cycling, the beauty routine revolution of 2025. In the ever-evolving world of skincare, the concept of skin cycling has emerged as a transformative routine embraced by dermatologists, influencers, and everyday beauty enthusiasts alike. The method is simple, yet powerful. Instead of applying the same products every day, users alternate active ingredients on a set schedule to minimize irritation and maximize results. This approach has gained popularity in 2025 due to its balance of science-backed results and accessibility. The typical cycle spans 4 days, 1 for exfoliation, 1 for retinoids, and 2 for recovery, giving skin time to breathe and repair. Dermatologists emphasize that this rhythmic application mirrors the body's natural processes, leading to clearer, more resilient skin over time. The beauty of skin cycling is its adaptability. For those with sensitive skin, the routine can be modified to include more recovery days. For seasoned skincare users, the actives can be intensified. As this method continues trending, skincare brands have begun releasing pre-packaged skin cycling kits, with each product labeled by its role in the cycle. These kits take the guesswork out of the routine and have been particularly popular among Gen Z and millennials who appreciate curated, easy-to-use systems. Influencers are now showcasing their personalized cycles on social media, turning skin cycling into a movement of self-care and discipline rather than a chaotic array of mismatched products. Parallel to this trend is the rise in awareness of skin barrier health, closely tied to the recovery nights in skin cycling. Products containing ceramides, niacinamide, and peptides have surged in popularity as users aim to soothe and protect their skin from environmental stressors and the effects of active ingredients. This newfound focus on the skin's barrier function reflects a broader shift from aggressive treatments to gentler, more sustainable skincare. In fact, repair first has become a 2025 mantra in the beauty world, replacing the earlier obsession with overexfoliation and harsh peels. People are increasingly prioritizing long-term skin health over quick fixes, aligning with the holistic beauty trend that continues to dominate. This revolution in skincare is also influencing product packaging and marketing. Illustrative posters and infographics featuring the 4-day cycle format are going viral, each day visually marked with icons representing its unique focus, from chemical exfoliation to rest and hydration. These visual tools make skin cycling more approachable and ideal for educational beauty content. Podcast hosts and creators are leveraging this structure to break down each day's routine, combining storytelling with actionable tips. As 2025 pushes further into AI and personalization, we can expect digital skincare assistants and apps to guide users through their skin cycles, track progress, and recommend adjustments based on skin behavior, closing the loop between science and everyday self-care.